Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove collaborator on Instagram after posting. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram is continuously evolving, introducing new features to improve the experience. The one of the latest addition is the Instagram collabs feature, allowing users to collaborate on posts and reels, making it an invaluable tool for both brand and influencers. The ability to partner up with the creator and significantly boost your reach and engagement. On my previous video, I've showed you how to invite collaborator, how to add collaborator after posting on your Instagram post. But now, what if you want to remove the collaborator after you post it? It's very simple. So we can open our Instagram. You can go to your profile. You can choose on the post that you want to remove the collaborator, like this one. As you can see in here, the collaborator that we just send invitation to them, and this one. If you want to remove the collaboration, you can just tap on the. I will choose for this one first before the collaboration accept the invitation. Tap on the three dots over here, tap on edit, tap on collaborator. You can remove the collaborator by just removing on here. And the collaborator is now disappear. You can just checklist and checklist. And also, like this one too, we can remove after they accept the invitation. You can do the same thing. Choose on edit, choose on collaborator on the top of your screen, and you can just remove it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to remove collaboration on Instagram posts after posting. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.